I fell in love with space. The first moment I stepped foot onto the set of Gene Roddenberry's vision for Star Trek, playing Uhura. This is when I realized what humanity's future could look like.
Star Trek tells us that there will be a future. It gives us comfort and hope that we're going to survive all the nonsense on Earth.
I think space exploration gives people hope. It's a challenge, it's exciting, it's the unknown, and it's a healthy competition.
Star Trek has always represented the hope for a better future. I don't think you can have that without pushing boundaries. And in the case of space, that is all that we're doing, is pushing those boundaries and finding out more.
Space, the final frontier. It is indeed the final frontier, but what is it? Can we know it? Within that mystery are profound secrets that apply to all of us.
What I love most about the Star Trek universe is the original concept, the original idea behind telling the stories. In the Star Trek universe, people are not judged by how much money they have, what they look like. They are judged based on their character. You know, exploration is in our DNA. And I think that's just part of the way we are as human beings. It's in our nature.
Star Trek was a show that looked to the future with optimism, boldly going where no one had gone before. I want you to know about a very special organization called the Planetary Society. They are working to make the future that Star Trek represents a reality.
If you love space and you want to join an international community of people like you, join the Planetary Society.
Planetary Society is the place you got to be. I mean, everybody who knows anything about space and the final frontier and what we're doing to our planet and how we can learn from space and what not to do to our planet belong to the Planetary Society.
If you want to help create a future full of space exploration, then you must join the Planetary Society.
If you share, like me, the need to expand into infinite possibilities, as my character does in Star Trek, and as I have said to Picard on more than one occasion, then certainly joining the Planetary Society is a good way to go.
The Planetary Society understands that vision for a better future. They're helping to bring us closer to that future.
This is a letter written by Gene Roddenberry, sent to Star Trek fans in 1980. The essence of the Star Trek missions are to discover, to learn more about our universe, and to apply that knowledge to the benefit of mankind. Star Trek is, of course, fiction, but its idea is very real and very important. It is this idea which the Planetary Society is devoted to, and I believe they can help turn into a reality. The links between science fiction and science are well established, and I am very pleased to associate myself with the Planetary Society.
Co-founded by Carl Sagan and led today by CEO Bill Nye, the Planetary Society exists for those who believe in space exploration to take action together. So join the Planetary Society and boldly go together to build our future.
And I encourage you to go to planetary.org and to become a member. Find out about your planet here and planets far above you.
You know, people across the globe, spanning generations, continue to be moved by Star Trek's optimistic vision of what we could become. And having served on both the USS Voyager and the executive board of the Planetary Society, I wholeheartedly agree. The Planetary Society is bringing us closer to Gene's vision of a better future. So, are you with us?